Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me MrGim here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys, which is the Baseus Natural Light Sunshine Series Induction Ounce Lamp Light. And why is it so special about this light? It is quite affordable price. And I have reviewed several of these products from this company already, which I felt that this company is doing really good in terms of lifestyle product. So why do I even spend money to buy product once again? It's because I felt that this product might be useful for my mom, as this is quite an intelligent light, I would say. So let me explain. So when night falls, in your room there's always a huge lamp light or the room light when you don't want to disturb anybody from sleeping. Example, your kids or your husband, your wife or whoever are in the room. So this thing comes in very handy because it does not shine as bright to wake someone up. The light is sufficient enough to shine a walkway. So before we even go in depth about it, so let's get into the unboxing itself. Packaging box is really simple. Once you pick it up, first thing you will see is the product itself, followed by a menu, and underneath it there is this USB Type-C cable and also a warranty card plus a sticker pack inside the box. And I must say that sticker pack is really cute. It is their mascot, which once again I said that they are one of the company which I think they value their branding. So let's put the box aside and let me quickly explain about this product. It has this 120 large wide angle induction light and is ready even before you arrive. So what it means that is when you are in the house, the light can automatically sensor and light up within 6 meters in the 120-degree fan shaped sensing area, which is a very intelligent move. Behind there is this 3M magnetic wall holder, which is a very strong magnetic. You can place it anywhere you want. And bottom of the switches there is an on, off and automatic button, which I'm going to show you in a short while. So the intelligent auto buttons lights up automatically when it sensors any human around. So there is no need for a clapping or stamping sound for it to activate. It does not light up in the daytime. Meanwhile, when it's dark and it senses any human interactions, it will light up automatically by itself. The semi-wide type light design irradiates obliquely downward, which can be improved the utilization rate of the light. The battery capacity is about 500 mAh. It can endure up to 5 months in induction mode based on 5 times a day of an induction light on. So as you can see over here, I'm trying to light up using my hand wave gesture. It does not light up. Why? It is because I have a light directly shine onto the device itself. The device will think that it is a daylight, that's why it's not lighting up. I must say that it is an intelligent light, and this is where you can make that device last longer. So as you can see from this example that I have placed it inside my wardrobe. Once I open up my wardrobe, it automatically sensors and it lights up automatically. It comes with 2 colors. One is the natural light, which is warm white, and also a white light. This material is made out of ABS plastic and the size is about 164 by 40 by 39 mm and it weighs only 82 grams. And the best thing about this is they charge up using a USB Type-C cable. So as I was mentioned earlier, it covers up to 120 wide angle inductions, lights up within 6 meter range. You can use it as an emergency light if you need it, because it's small enough for you to carry inside your bag, or you can just mount it anywhere you want, as they have included the 3M adhesive base that we can mount anywhere you want. Alright guys, that is it for my video. If you find it useful, make sure you slap a like button, be my friend by clicking on the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye!